All right, what's going on, everybody? This is Crypto Crane. Welcome to the Crypto Hangout Network. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I just been sitting back, relaxing, and observing everything, doing some research, and waiting for my price targets to hit. I put orders in a long time ago for price targets of 12 to 13,000 Bitcoin, BCT, BTC, should I say, and around $450 worth of Ethereum. Those are my price targets for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, XRP, my price target was around 30 something cents, in between 27 and 30 cents for XRP. So that is what have been waiting on, and I do believe that this is going to be the final crash, the final dip. You have a lot of things going on with the Silvergate, and some interesting information coming out about Binance and CZ and all that, those things going on. So I suspect there is going to be another crash, the equivalent of what FTX did, and I think this is just the beginning. Okay, now this is the 3-hour chart. This is Bitcoin right here. As you can see, you have the 21 cross the 200, and it pulled down the 50, the 80, and the 100 SMA. And well, we have a def cross right here, which is the 50 crossing the 200. Okay, and as you can see, price action went down and it pulled down, right? Now, the opposite of that would be a golden cross, is what you see have right here, the golden cross, and then you have price action go up, okay? Now, I knew that this little price action right here wasn't the actual price move, because we had not hit those targets that I had in mind, that I have been waiting for as of yet. Now, when you look at this right here, when that 21 and the 50 crossed that 200, and the price action fell, as you can see, it fell all the way down to this support line, which now it is falling below the support line, right? And this support line is now becoming resistance. As you can see right here, it fall down right here, and now it's becoming resistance. Okay, now I suspect it should chop today, tomorrow, all the way into the weekend to probably Sunday, and then I suspect to have another sell-off and to come back down here towards this support of 20,000. This red line right here, which is $20,729. Okay, now let's go look at the smaller time frames. Okay, this is the hour chart. As you can see, it's not much volume coming in right here on the hour chart, so that leads me to believe that price action is going to be selling off even more. And here you have the 21 crossing the 50 and pulling down even more. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart. Let's go look at the daily. This is the daily chart. As you can see, you have nothing but red, 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 and the same thing right here. As you can see, hit that resistance line or support, fell below support, became resistance, right? Now on the daily chart, you have the 200, which is right here, and you have the 50 right here crossing, the 21 SMA crossing right here. Okay, now we'll see what it does. We'll see if any volume comes in or if any selling pressure comes in. The RSI is down below 35, so you might on the daily, you might get a little green pump today. We'll see. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart right here. As you can see, this is what I had here back in November. We don't change, so we can see and look at how things have been going from the time frame when we said, right? And so this is the weekly chart. As you can see on the weekly chart, came up, touched the line, came back down, touched the line. It's right here. It's trading in between 21,611 and 22,508 on the weekly. Okay, you have a little bit of selling pressure. RSI is about 50, so it could go either way, either or, depending on what's going to do when the markets open up today. Okay. Now let's go take a look at Ethereum. Where's ETH at on my chart? There it is. This is Ethereum, 3-hour chart, and as you can see, it's following the same pattern as Bitcoin, right? 3-hour chart, 21 cross the 200, bringing the 50 along with it, and the 80 downward price action. You have more selling pressure than you do buying pressure. and the RSI is sitting around 35. So it's probably going to chop and do the same thing. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance chart have a sell off right here. A lot of selling pressure. Bitcoin is being sold off. RSI is down to 39. Remember, when the RSI goes around 32, then you normally see a bounce. Okay, you normally see a bounce when you hit around 32. So you have this selling pressure right here on the 3-hour chart. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and even more selling pressure on the hourly chart. So you're going to see it drop even more here within the next hour. The time is 6:37. Okay. Oh, actually, this is the daily chart. I'm sorry. Let's go to the hourly chart. This is the hourly chart. As you can see, had a lot of selling pressure, not as much the next hour, but it's still trending downwards, right? RSI around 36. To the 4 hours. 4-hour chart, and you have a constant selling pressure every 4 hours. RSI around 38. So yeah, Bitcoin is probably going to see a little bit more Bitcoin being sold off today. So I would take that into consideration. Let's look at the altcoin dominance chart, and as you can see, you have a little bit of green because a little bit of money is flowing into the altcoins because the money is moving out. Money moving out of Bitcoin and into the altcoins, per se. So that is why you see a little bit of green here in the volume, etc. Let's take a look at XRP. As you can see, XRP has good news come out with Judge Torres, throwing out the pretty much scolding the SEC. And so you had that news and other news with Russia possibly using XRP here in the upcoming months. All right, now the XRP is approaching overbought, so I expect a little pullback here below this 39 cent support line. Okay, you have the 21 crossing the 50, right, and it's going towards the 200. And we'll just have to see if it pulls the 50 above the 200 along with it. But it's overbought, so I expect it to pull back a little bit today or the next couple of days. Okay. Take a look at one more coin. Let's see here. Let's look at Ethereum, XRP. Let's look at ADA. Cardano. You can see Cardano is approaching those on the 4-hour chart. It's approaching those bounce levels. You have a slope going downward trend line. Let's look at the daily. A lot of sell-off on the Cardano. RSI around 32 on the daily on the bounce. So the next 4 hours, you probably see a little bit more sell-off, and on the daily, you'll probably start seeing a little bit of green. On the hourly chart. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so that's enough for today's video. This is Crypto Crane signing out. Until the next video, I will see you guys later. Peace.